Alright, so here is Hello World for real on an Arduino using Morse code and a blinking LED. It's right here. So I'll go ahead and reset it so it can restart the sequence. Alright, so it's gonna start with H, which is dit 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 dit. Dit 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 dit. No. It is working, but I don't know the Morse code that well. Okay, that was O, and this is a comma, and then this should be that was a W. So anyway, I think it's about done. If I knew Morse code better, I'd be able to tell you. But that is Hello World using Morse code on an Arduino.